Hey everybody, welcome to another installment of Brad Cook Stuff. So tonight I'm in the mood for soup. This is actually something that I made kind of by accident about a week ago, and it was excellent. So I'm going to redo it again tonight for the channel and you, my viewers. So tonight we are going to make some spicy chicken meatball soup. All right, let's go and take a look at the ingredients, see what we're working with. Here are the ingredients for tonight's dish. We start with some chicken vegetable meatballs. I've got some spicy Asian peppers, a red onion, and my favorite negishio broth. That's pretty much all we need. Let's go ahead and start chopping up the vegetables. So first we're going to take this red onion and we're going to quarter it, and that's basically all we're going to do. Okay, that's it for the onion. Next, we're going to cut the ends off all of these Asian peppers. Okay, these are all done too. Let's put them in the pot. Next, we're going to put in these chicken vegetable meatballs. All right, there we go. And finally, my favorite, negishio broth. All right, let's get this turned on and get it boiling. All right, check this out. Oh man, that smells delicious. It already smells spicy and oniony. I'm going to go ahead and turn this down and let it cook for about 2 hours. I'd say that looks ready. Let's eat. All right, moment of truth. I have here a bowl of spicy Asian pepper and red onion meatball soup. All right, so first of all, oh man, it smells amazing. It smells really spicy too. It's been smelling like that since all the way back when I first started boiling it. But, of course, let's give it a try, see how it tastes. All right. Oh man, that is excellent. And plenty spicy. Let's have another one of these. No, I really like that. So the deal with these Asian peppers is that their spiciness is kind of sharper than, say, like a red pepper that you might expect. So it kind of has a different feel to the spiciness. It still hits in the same places, but it isn't exactly the same as, say, the stuff you'd have in Mexican or Tex-Mex. Yeah. All right. Let's have a bite with a little bit of broth and some onion here. So the onion effectively fell apart and just became sort of part of the soup. I mean, it's still solid. You can still see a little piece of it here. But it effectively melts in your mouth. That is really good. I can't taste the red onion as much as I can taste the spice, but it definitely has a little bit of an oniony feel to it. Definitely gonna need one more of these here. So these chicken meatballs, honestly, they don't taste like beef, but they are suitably meaty, and the vegetables in them are kind of little chunks of vegetable, so it actually gives them really nice texture. But combined with and having been boiled in the Asian peppers and onion for so long, they carry a really nice spice. Yeah. So the original concept for this just came from me thinking it would be nice to make a soup, put in a red onion, some kind of meat, and then I saw the Asian peppers at the store and thought, ooh, wouldn't that be a nice addition? And I think I found the chicken meatballs somewhere marked down. Figured, yeah, throw it in the pot, see if it's any good. And it really, really was. So this is going to be kind of a new favorite of mine. And I'm definitely going to be making this again afterward. Right? Yeah, more onion there. Man, it's good. Now, if you can't find this particular kind of chicken meatball, then, any kind of meatball is going to do. I chose meatballs that I didn't have to fry ahead of time, mainly because at the time it was kind of a purchase of opportunity, and it's a little bit easier to do. But if you want to buy meatballs that haven't been fried or make your own meatballs, yeah, be my guest, go ahead. You could use beef, Italian sausage, whatever. Also, if you can't find Asian peppers, and I really hope you can, then red peppers would probably do the trick, but honestly, something about these green Asian peppers, these togarashi, make the whole thing nice and sharp in your mouth. So, yeah, I'm really pleased. As for the broth, I've got something that I can buy here. If you can't buy this, find something similar, like, say, chicken stock, or make your own broth. Anyway, got a little bit left in the bowl here, and I've got a fairly full bowl in the fridge cooling off. So, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up tonight. This is kind of a late night snack for me, if anything. But, as always, appreciate you guys stopping in. I will see you in the next video.